Stronger legs mean longer independence, and today I'll show you 3 easy daily leg exercises that every senior over 60 can do safely at home. Welcome back, my dear seniors. This is our special 60-day exercise series, and today is day 3. If you're new here, don't worry. Just start from today and join us. Let's keep those legs strong and healthy together. Exercise 1, sit to stand, chair squats. The sit to stand exercise, also known as chair squats, is one of the most powerful and practical leg movements for seniors. It directly mimics the everyday action of getting in and out of a chair, which means it not only builds muscle strength but also improves daily independence. This exercise focuses on your thighs, hips, and core, and when done regularly, it can make walking, standing, and even climbing stairs much easier. The best part is that it requires no special equipment other than a sturdy chair, making it safe and convenient to perform at home. To begin, place a firm chair against the wall or on a stable surface so it does not move. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and your knees slightly bent. Slowly lower your body down to sit on the chair, keeping your back straight and your chest lifted. Once you are fully seated, pause briefly. Then push through your heels and stand back up tall. Remember to breathe in as you sit down and breathe out as you stand up. This breathing rhythm not only helps maintain control but also keeps you from feeling too tired too quickly. Now, let us work together to build strength step by step. We will perform this movement repeatedly, aiming for up to 100 repetitions. Do not worry if you cannot complete all 100 at first. Even a smaller number will make a difference, and your strength will improve as we go along. Let us start counting together. 1, sit and stand. 2, sit and stand. 3, keep your back tall and shoulders relaxed. With every repetition, you are building stronger legs and a stronger body. As you move through this exercise, listen to your body and maintain a steady pace. If you feel tired, you can pause briefly and then continue. The important part is that you are consistent and committed. Remember, every sit and stand you complete is an achievement worth celebrating. You are doing amazing, and I want you to keep pushing yourself. Imagine how much stronger and more confident you will feel after completing 100 repetitions. Keep going, stay focused, and let us finish this together. Exercise 2, seated leg extensions. The seated leg extension is a simple yet highly effective exercise for strengthening the front part of your thighs, known as the quadriceps. These muscles are extremely important for supporting your knees and helping you walk with more stability. Strong quadriceps also make it easier to get up from a chair, climb stairs, and maintain balance when moving around. For seniors, knee health is a top priority, and this exercise is one of the safest ways to build strength without putting too much stress on the joints. To begin, sit tall on a sturdy chair with your back straight and your feet flat on the ground. Place your hands lightly on the sides of the chair for support. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly extend your right leg forward until it is straight in front of you. Hold this position for a few seconds, feeling the muscles in your thigh engage. Then gently lower the leg back down to the starting position. Now repeat the same movement with your left leg, extending it forward, holding briefly, and lowering it back down. Continue alternating legs in a steady and controlled rhythm. We will aim for up to 100 repetitions in total, counting together as we go. Each extension counts as one repetition. So when you extend your right leg and return it, that is 1. And when you extend your left leg and return it, that is 2. Let us count together now. 1, extend and lower. 2, extend and lower. 3. Keep breathing steadily. Remember to sit tall, keep your back straight, and avoid leaning too far forward. The goal is to let your legs do the work while your upper body stays strong and stable. As you continue, you may start to feel your thigh muscles working harder, and that is a good sign. It means you are building strength and improving your knee stability with every repetition. If you get tired, take a short pause, then resume when ready. The important thing is to keep moving forward and stay consistent. You are doing an excellent job, so keep pushing. With time, these seated leg extensions will make your legs stronger, your knees more stable, and your confidence greater with every step you take. Exercise 3, heel raises, calf strengthener. The heel raise exercise, also called a calf raise, is a very important movement for building lower leg strength and improving balance. Your calf muscles play a major role in walking, climbing stairs, and keeping your body steady when standing. For seniors, strong calves mean better stability and a lower risk of falls. This exercise is simple, safe, and does not require any equipment beyond a sturdy chair for support. When practiced regularly, it can greatly improve your walking stability and overall confidence in movement. To begin, stand tall behind your chair and place both hands gently on the backrest for balance. Position your feet hip-width apart with your toes pointing forward. Now, slowly rise up onto the balls of your feet, lifting your heels off the ground as high as you comfortably can. Pause at the top for a moment, feeling the stretch in your calves and the strength building in your ankles. Then, slowly lower your heels back down to the ground with control. Remember to breathe steadily. Inhale as you lift up and exhale as you lower down. This breathing rhythm will help you stay relaxed and focused while performing the exercise. We will aim to complete up to 100 repetitions together, counting each raise carefully. For example, when you rise up and lower down, that is 1. Rise again and lower, that is 2. Let us count together. 1, lift and lower. 2, lift and lower. 3, keep your body tall and steady. Keep going at a comfortable pace and do not rush. It is better to move slowly with control than quickly without balance. As you continue this exercise, you may start to feel a gentle burn in your calves, which means your muscles are working. That feeling is a sign of progress and strength building. If you get tired, pause for a few seconds, then continue when ready. The key is consistency and completing as many repetitions as you can. Each heel raise improves your balance, strengthens your legs, and makes walking more stable. You are doing fantastic, and with every repetition, you are taking another step towards stronger legs and safer movement. Keep pushing and let us finish this exercise strong together. Now, congratulations to everyone who has completed today's session with me. You should feel proud of yourself. If you followed all 3 exercises, type "Done Day 3" in the comments so that we can celebrate your progress together. Sharing your achievements builds a strong community of seniors who are motivating one another to stay active and healthy. Finally, do not forget to share this video with 5 to 7 of your senior friends. Invite them to join you so they can enjoy the same benefits and you can support each other through this journey. The more we do this together, the stronger and healthier we all become. Remember this: Every repetition you complete today is an investment in your health, independence, and confidence. You are not just exercising, you are building a better tomorrow for yourself. Keep going, stay positive, and I will see you tomorrow for day 4 of our 60-day challenge. Great work today, my dear seniors.